Wait. Max, can I ask you something? When someone says Happy New Year to you in January, like the middle of January, do you still say it back?
Oh, that's a great question. You know what? I actually don't know the rule.
Right? Like, is there an expiration date on Happy New Year?
Okay, that's actually what a lot of English learners ask us. And today, we're going to answer that and teach you everything you need to talk about New Year like a native English speaker.
So, if you've ever felt confused about New Year's vocabulary, traditions, or what to say at a New Year's party, stay with us. By the end of this episode, you'll feel confident and natural.
Let's go. Hey everyone, thanks for listening to our videos. You're listening to Mr. Englishman. I'm Max, and with me here is the always amazing Lily.
Thank you, Max. Hi, everyone. We are so excited to be here with you today.
So today's topic is all about New Year, how to talk about it, how to make resolutions, how to celebrate, and even how to survive New Year's small talk in English.
Yes, and we'll keep it simple, natural, and fun because New Year is a time when everyone wants to practice English at parties, with friends, or even online.
Exactly. And by the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly what to say. You'll sound confident, friendly, and natural.
So grab a pen, get comfortable, and let's learn together.
All right, Lily, let's start with the basics. What do we call the last day of the year?
Oh, that's easy. We call it New Year's Eve.
Perfect. New Year's Eve. That's December 31st. It's the night before the new year begins.
Right. And the first day of the year, that's New Year's Day, January 1st.
Exactly. So listen to this. New Year's Eve, December 31st. New Year's Day, January 1st.
And here's a tip. We usually say New Year's with an apostrophe S, not just New Year.
Yes, good point. You say, what are you doing on New Year's Eve? Not, what are you doing on New Year Eve?
Right. The apostrophe S shows possession. It's the eve of the new year.
Okay, now repeat after me, everyone. Ready? New Year's Eve.
Good. Now you try. New Year's Day.
Awesome. Okay, now let's talk about what people do on New Year's Eve.
So, Max, what do people usually do?
Well, most people have a party, a New Year's party. Maybe at someone's house or at a restaurant or a club.
Yes, and at midnight, exactly 12 a.m., people do something special. They count down.
Ooh, yes, the countdown. So what does countdown mean?
It means you count backwards from 10 to 1, like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Perfect. And everyone shouts Happy New Year at midnight.
Exactly. And here's another word, fireworks. Do you know what fireworks are?
Yes, fireworks are those beautiful, colorful explosions in the sky. Boom! They light up the sky with colors, red, blue, gold, green.
Right. A lot of cities have big fireworks shows on New Year's Eve, like in London, New York, Sydney.
And people watch the fireworks and take photos. It's beautiful.
Okay, so let's review. Repeat after us. Fireworks.
Good. Now say countdown.
Excellent. Now say the whole sentence. I love watching the fireworks at midnight.
Amazing. You're doing great.
Okay, Max, now let's talk about what you say to people at New Year.
Right. So the most common phrase is Happy New Year.
Yes, simple and classic. Happy New Year. You can say this to anyone.
But here's a question. When do you say it? Do you say it before midnight or after?
Great question. Usually, you say Happy New Year right at midnight or after midnight on January 1st.
Exactly. Before midnight, you can say, Have a great New Year's Eve, or See you next year.
Ooh, see you next year. That's a fun one. You can say that on December 31st, even if you're going to see them the next day.
Right, because technically the next day is next year.
So imagine it's December 31st and you're leaving work. You can say to your colleague, "See you next year."
And they'll probably laugh. It's a little joke.
Okay, now here's another phrase, Happy New Year. But sometimes people say, "I wish you a Happy New Year."
Yes, I wish you a happy new year. It's a little more formal, a little more polite.
You can also say, "Wishing you a Happy New Year." It's very friendly and warm.
And here's a longer version. I wish you health, happiness, and success in the new year.
Oh, that's beautiful. You can say that to family, friends, or even in a message or card.
Exactly. So let's practice. Everyone, repeat, Happy New Year.
Good. Now say, "I wish you a Happy New Year."
Perfect. Now here's a question for you. How long can you say Happy New Year? Like, if it's January 15th, can you still say it?
Okay, this is the question I asked at the beginning, and honestly, there's no official rule.
Right, but usually people stop saying Happy New Year after the first week of January. Maybe by January 7th or 8th, it starts to feel a little late.
But if you see someone for the first time in January, even if it's January 20th, you can still say, "Happy New Year, I haven't seen you yet this year."
Exactly, that makes it okay. You're acknowledging it's late, but it's the first time you're seeing them.
So the rule is use your judgment. If it feels natural, say it. If it feels too late, just say hi instead.
Perfect rule.
Okay, before we move on, quick question for you listeners. Have you ever made a New Year's resolution?
And more importantly, have you ever broken a New Year's resolution?
Oh no, I think most people have.
Right? So stay with us because we're about to teach you how to talk about resolutions in English. And trust me, this is something native speakers talk about a lot in January.
Don't go anywhere.
All right, let's talk about resolutions. Lily, what is a resolution?
A resolution is a promise you make to yourself. It's a goal or a decision to do something differently in the new year.
Exactly. For example, my resolution is to exercise more. Or my resolution is to learn English every day.
Yes, we say my New Year's resolution is, or just my resolution is.
And here's the thing, a lot of people make resolutions on January 1st, but a lot of people also break their resolutions.
True. To break a resolution means you stop doing it, you give up.
Right, so someone might say, I made a resolution to go to the gym every day, but I broke it after 2 weeks.
It's very common. Don't feel bad if you've done this.
So let's learn some common resolutions. Ready?
Yes. Number 1, exercise more or get fit.
Number 2, eat healthier or eat more vegetables.
Number 3, save money or spend less money.
Number 4, learn a new skill, like learning English.
Number 5, read more books.
Number 6, spend more time with family and friends.
And number 7, be more positive or be happier.
Those are great. Now let's practice asking about resolutions. You can ask someone, do you have any New Year's resolutions?
Or you can say, "What's your resolution this year?"
Perfect. Now let's practice answering. Imagine someone asks you, what's your New Year's resolution? You can say, my resolution is to, and then add your goal.
For example, my resolution is to practice English every day.
Great. Now you try. Say it out loud. My resolution is to, and finish the sentence with your own goal.
Take a moment. Say it. We'll wait.
Okay, good. Now here's another phrase. This year I want to.
Yes, this year I want to learn English, or this year I want to travel more.
Perfect. So 2 ways to talk about your goals. My resolution is to, or this year I want to.
Exactly. And here's a tip. Don't make too many resolutions. If you make 10 resolutions, you probably won't keep any of them.
So true. It's better to make 1 or 2 realistic goals.
Yes, focus on 1 or 2 things and you'll actually do them.
Okay, everyone, now it's your turn. We're going to do a little role play. Imagine you're at a New Year's party and someone asks you about your resolutions.
Yes, so I'll ask the question and you answer out loud. Ready?
Here we go.
Hey, Happy New Year. Do you have any New Year's resolutions?
Okay, now you answer. Say, yes, my resolution is to, or this year I want to.
Good. Now I'll respond. That's awesome. I hope you achieve it.
Perfect. And you can say back, thank you. What about you? What's your resolution?
Great question. And I'll say, my resolution is to read more books.
And you can say, that's a great goal. Good luck.
Awesome. So that's a natural conversation about resolutions.
And notice we used simple phrases, we asked questions, and we encouraged each other. That's how native speakers talk.
Okay, Max, let's talk about traditions. Every culture has different New Year traditions, right?
Absolutely, and it's fun to learn about them. Let's talk about some common traditions in English-speaking countries.
Okay, first tradition, kissing at midnight.
Yes, in many Western countries, people kiss someone at midnight on New Year's Eve. It's supposed to bring good luck.
Right. You might kiss your partner or friend or even just give a hug.
Exactly. It's a way to start the new year with love and warmth.
Okay, next tradition, singing Auld Lang Syne.
Ooh, yes. Do you know this song, everyone? Auld Lang Syne is a traditional song that people sing at midnight.
It's a Scottish song, and the lyrics are a little old-fashioned, but everyone sings it even if they don't know all the words.
Should old acquaintance be forgot? It's a song about remembering old friends and good times.
So at midnight, people hold hands, sing this song, and celebrate together.
Beautiful. Okay, next tradition, making noise at midnight.
Yes, in some countries, people make a lot of noise at midnight. They blow horns, bang pots and pans, shout, cheer.
The idea is that loud noises scare away bad luck and evil spirits.
Right. So at midnight, you'll hear fireworks, music, shouting, and lots of noise.
It's very exciting. Okay, here's another one, wearing special colors.
Ooh, yes. In some cultures, people wear specific colors for good luck. For example, in some countries, people wear red underwear for love and passion,
Yes, or yellow underwear for money and wealth.
or white clothes for peace and new beginnings.
It depends on the culture, but it's a fun tradition.
Okay, and the last tradition, eating special foods.
Yes, in Spain, people eat 12 grapes at midnight, one grape for each month of the year.
In the southern United States, people eat black-eyed peas and collard greens for good luck and money.
And in Japan, people eat soba noodles for a long life.
So many delicious traditions.
Okay, now let's practice. Repeat after us. Tradition.
Good. Now say midnight.
Perfect. Now say, I love New Year traditions.
Excellent.
Okay, we're almost done, but don't leave yet. We have a bonus tip at the end about a common mistake people make when talking about New Year.
Yes, stay with us. You don't want to miss this.
All right, everyone, let's recap what we learned today.
Yes, here are the key points.
Number 1, New Year's Eve is December 31st. New Year's Day is January 1st.
Number 2, at midnight, people count down from 10 to 1 and then shout, Happy New Year.
Number 3, you can say Happy New Year or I wish you a Happy New Year to greet people.
Number 4, a resolution is a goal or promise you make for the new year. Common resolutions are exercise more, eat healthier, save money, and learn new skills.
Number 5, New Year traditions include kissing at midnight, singing Auld Lang Syne, making noise, and eating special foods.
And remember, you can say Happy New Year until the first week of January. After that, it's a little late unless it's the first time you're seeing someone.
Perfect. And now here's that bonus tip we promised.
Okay, so here's a common mistake. Some learners say Happy New Year with the stress on new.
Right, but actually native speakers usually stress happy and year equally, like this, Happy New Year, not Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. The stress is balanced.
Exactly. So practice that. Happy New Year.
Try it. Happy New Year.
Awesome. Small details like this make you sound more natural.
All right, everyone, that's it for today's lesson.
We hope you feel more confident talking about New Year in English. You learned vocabulary, greetings, resolutions, and traditions.
And remember, learning English is a journey. Every lesson, every practice session, every mistake, it's all progress.
So keep going. Make English practice your New Year's resolution.
Yes, and we'll be here to help you every step of the way.
Now, we want to hear from you. Tell us in the comments, what's your New Year's resolution this year?
Yes, write it in English. It's great practice.
And if you learned something new today, give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends who are learning English.
Also, subscribe to our channel so you never miss a lesson.
And here's a sneak peek. In our next episode, we're going to teach you how to talk about winter weather in English. You'll learn how to describe snow, cold, ice, and more.
It's going to be fun, so don't miss it.
All right, everyone, thank you so much for being here. We'll see you in the next lesson.
Bye for now, and Happy New Year.
Happy New Year! Keep practicing, and we'll see you soon.